we interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A foreign invasion is occurring against the United States. At 4:26 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, several China troops have been reported on the West Coast. They are believed to be invading the following states: California, Oregon, and Washington. Large cities seem to be mostly targeted. If you live in these three states, you are strongly encouraged to evacuate immediately. Residents should go to shelters being set up at local schools and churches in the following states: Arizona, Idaho, and Nevada. Or leave the states by at least 10 miles. Make sure you have food, water, and a battery-powered radio with you. If you do not evacuate, you do so at your own risk. All other residents of the United States should stay tuned for further information, in case other evacuation orders may be issued. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular program at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KABC. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.